welcome back to my channel. I'm Mackenzie Nelson if you are new here. And right now I am in Cali, Colombia. I am staying at the Viajero Hostel, which is very famous to also be a salsa school, which is a big thing I'm doing here, but not at the hostel. I'm doing salsa school at a different school, which I'll be doing later and telling you guys all about. But we're going on a food walking tour right now. I really don't know what to expect. It was $60,000, which is kind of pricey, but if we get lunch, it's fine. With the hostel, it's all organized. It's 11 o'clock right now. We're about to leave, I think. And I'll show you guys around the hostel and then the salsa school later on today. I am with my famous friends that you've seen in all of Colombia for the last month, Kiara, Olivia, and Megan. So we're also making plans to go to Ecuador together, which will be my next destination will be Ecuador. I think we're going.
Okay, very good guys. So how are you doing today? This area, and he's been working on this workshop for the last 5. Name of the place? Loma de la Cruz. Amazing.
It was really cool. I think it was
wow. Oh, wow.
So guys, so now you know how you will guess.
We're finally getting to the food part.
finally.
We knew it was like a walking tour, but it's just so hot. We've been learning about murals, but we're like, just get to the fruit part.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. How do we like it?
It's just bits.
Yeah, it's like
just
chunky. It's called champus, like shampoo. How do you like it, Megan?
Yeah, chunks are a bit weird. Probably off.
So it's like mainly pineapple, I think, but then there's corn, panela, and this fruit called lulu. The fruit lulu, I don't agree with. I don't like the taste of it. It's just funny because like the girls love the taste of it, but it does not sit right with me. So it's that, and that it's chunky. I can't do it. I feel so bad, but I can't. So, but we have to keep our cups, I guess, because we're gonna use them in the next place. I don't know, but I can't drink this. Now we're trying ceviche de mango. We'll see how it goes. It has lots of interesting ingredients like vinegar, condensed milk, cinnamon, mango, lime, lots of things.
Sure about the chunky mixture.
A lot of vinegar. How do you feel?
Everything that he's doing is strange. It's alright.
Yeah. I think I got a bit that had a lot of vinegar, so I'm like,
oh yeah, it's very vinegary and very cinnamony.
yeah, but I think that's just the part that we got. I was saying I think if it's mixed together it would be a lot better. This is ceviche with shrimp. It's kind of awkward sharing with like such a big group. We're rationing our crackers. What's it called? Cocarada? Cocarada? Cocada. That was cocada. Yeah, that's really nice. I thought it was gonna be like way too sweet. That's pretty nice.
Now guys, over here we will begin with the fruit tasting section, okay?
Granadilla, the fruit. Oh. It's really slimy. It's slimy, but it's really sweet. No, but I actually like it.
I prefer normal passion fruit.
Yeah, it's like a passion fruit, but it's good. I like it. So we just got given a smaller one, and the girls are telling me it tastes like soap or deodorant.
Yeah, like roll on.
Like roll on?
Yeah, a bit of Dove.
A bit of Dove. I see what you mean. This is pitaya. Cheers.
Cheers.
There you go.
All you can see is your face in the camera. And you're like, yeah, but what does it taste like? Like lychee. No?
This is nice.
Maybe like lychee. This is really nice. I like this. You open it up and you find a berry. I think it's called golden berry. Okay.
It tastes like pepperoni.
Oh, pepperoni. Like a not ripe tomato?
Yeah.
Maybe that's it. Okay, we're gonna try the lychee. I love lychee. Potato. Wait, what? No,
It's called níspero.
Oh, what does it taste like?
It smells really sweet.
Oh, it smells really sweet. Oh. expecting the texture.
Bueno, es rico, es rico, es rico, es rico, qué rico, qué rico, qué rico.
Gracias. Alright, this one's sour. How sour is it? Sour? Oh yeah, sour. Well, very sour. Thank you. Oh, that's a big one. Here's Sister. This is maracuya. We've had this quite a few times.
Oh yeah, like this bit. Yeah. Oh, so that's my fruit.
Yeah.
Good.
A bit sour than normal. But like maracuya juice is like so good.
Funny now.
This is like a guava apple. I've had this one before. Okay, so this is like the cherry tomato. I'm really sugared out. I had to take a seat. I'm done with fruit. I love fruit. Oh yeah. Last but not least, this is Lulu. Lulu's, but I don't like, so I'm not gonna try it.
I like
The juice more?
yeah, it's a bit sour.
How about you, Megan? She's just done. She is just over and out.
Have told me like chestnut.
Uh-oh.
What is that?
All right, we're done with our food tour, but it was really cool. It was just really long. It was like 5 hours. Like, I don't even think that they're back at the hostel yet. But we had to get a taxi back because we have our salsa lesson. It's gonna be a group lesson for 1 hour. And because we couldn't do it at the hostel, it was like all booked out. The teachers were like crazy busy. We signed on to do it with the Salsa Pura hostel, which is literally right around the corner. We're walking to it now. The group prices like varied. So it was like for 2 people in the group, it was 90,000. For 3 people, it's 80,000. So we're doing 3 of us. Megan didn't want to join for 1 hour, so it's 90,000. But we want to do more classes tomorrow, hopefully. Hopefully we survive today. My neck is still bugging me just a little bit, so I hope I'll be able to do this like sassy turns with my neck. I don't know. I'm really, really excited to learn though, because that's the whole reason I want to come to Cali. I'm really excited that I'm taking you guys along with me too. So this is the school we're doing it with, Salsa Pura. Here we are. You guys ready? Also, while we wait, I just wanted to point out that I got bitten alive today on the tour. Don't even know how. Let me show you. Look at this. It looks worse on the camera. Oh my god. Oh, but that is how bad it is. Like, all over. Also, I burnt myself on a motorcycle yesterday, so my legs are just in shambles. Because look at that. I burnt it really bad on the motorcycle. Was that yesterday? Oh, awful. Okay, setting up the camera. Here we go. Basics, but still not basic.
Un beso que me dio alegría. Tomé su mano y la llevé a la pista y la seduje con mis pasos mágicos.
Tomato! That was so much fun. But that was only an hour. That was really quick. Yeah, I think we're gonna come back tomorrow. We should schedule it up now. I kind of want to do like another group class, but then I think I want to do like an hour of like learning how to salsa with a man. Woo! First class done. I'm so ready. We just signed up for even more classes. I signed up for a group again with Kiara at 12 tomorrow, and then directly after at 1, I'm gonna be dancing with a guy, learning how to actually salsa with a guy at 1. So it should be really, really fun. I'm really excited, and I'll make sure my GoPro is charged for that. Wow. Let me see. We've got some like hot dog thing, bacon, onions, lots of cheese, corn. We've got lots of like shredded chicken in here. Very yummy. Wow, look at this. So we've just come out to dinner with the girls just after our salsa lesson to Ray Burger. They came 2 nights ago or something like that. I really liked it, so we decided to treat ourselves tonight because decided we're leaving Colombia tomorrow, so it's kind of sad. So we came to a good place to enjoy dinner. That was really, really fun. I danced with Danny today for 1 hour, and now I have a group class. Look who just came to class. We're gonna do another group class today. So the individual class that I just did was 68,000, and then this one is another 38,000.
Bueno, sí.
That was so much fun. Bye, thank you. And that concludes our salsa classes in Cali. I'm so sad. I wish we were here longer. But because of the whole like confusion with the bus to Ecuador or whatever, we have to leave tonight. So we had way shorter than expected, but it was a lot of fun. And I do recommend going to Salsa PR because it's way quieter than the Viajero hostel. Private lesson this morning was really private, like there was nobody else there. And our group lesson, there was nobody else in the studio, so we had it all to ourselves. But even then, they have these dividers. Viajero hostel, they have like 3-4 people in a classroom, and they're tiny little classrooms.
And everyone can watch as well.
And everybody can watch, right? Yeah, I much rather prefer it there. And it was cheaper, right? Like, it ended up to be cheaper.
Yeah.
And I feel like if you do the same like bundle or whatever, if you create a bundle of like 5 hours, 10 hours, stay a week, it'll be even cheaper than Viajero and even cheaper than taking them individually. So I definitely recommend it, and I definitely recommend learning new things when you come to new countries and learning a bit of their culture. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my vlog in Cali and my entire Colombia series. I can't believe it's over, and I can't believe I'm leaving Colombia. It's actually so sad. I've been wanting to come to this wonderful country for so long. Spent just about a month. Actually, I think a little bit more than a month. Today's a month and a day. and it's been absolutely amazing. Me encanta Colombia. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be traveling to Ecuador, which should be a crazy adventure and a really long one. So we'll see you then.
Yay!
Bye!